Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
M&Ms aren't suitable for vegetarians. We use additives that come from animal products when we're making M&Ms, and traces of these can be found in the sweets. They aren't listed in the ingredients because they're only present in such small amounts.
Make your mark, take our lead.
All M&Ms have quite a lot of ingredients, many of which can seem daunting, but they are 100% vegetarian. That's because none of the ingredients are made of meat, flesh, enzymes or similar ingredients. That being said, M&Ms do contain ingredients made with animal testing. So you may want to avoid them for this reason.
Take our lead.
Kit Kat V is certified vegan, and made from 100% sustainable cocoa sourced through the Nestlé Cocoa Plan in conjunction with the Rainforest Alliance. The milk in the original Kit Kat is replaced with a rice-based alternative, which gives the perfect texture and flavor.
Make your mark, take our lead.
We'll start with the standard most common and originally Nestlé Kit Kat. Sadly, this isn't vegan. This is because it contains milk in the milk chocolate and whey powder also derived from milk. You may be thinking that the dark chocolate versions may be vegan friendly, but these contain milk as well.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.